Hi friends, this is Santosh. Welcome to the velocity tutorial. In this video, I'm going to explain about integration procedure. There are a lot of actions. Let me explain remote action in this video. Let's go to the org, and previously if you have not saw my video, just see my video. You can see I have created this integration procedure. Let us use this integration procedure by creating new version. New version means it will create the exact copy of the thing, and also the previous version will be exist, and the versions will be numbered here, like version 4 and all. Let's use the remote action from the action list. Here it is remote action. I'm placing here remote action is using I'll tell the use of remote action. Whenever we want to use any apex class in the velocity integration procedure, then we will be go with relation remote action. If you observe, I have created one class. Let me show you. Here in the remote action we need to give class name and we need to give method name. This class name is apex class method name, and this is remote method is apex remote method. If we want to pass anything, we can pass from additional input, and we can pass to the class. Let me explain this class. Let me close this. Yes, this is the class what I have created, account class. Here for every class which is going to call from the integration procedure, should implement this interface, velocity open interface, and this will be changed according to the package. If my package is cmt communication, so I can see cmt. If it is inc, you can see here inc. Like that we need to implement this interface. If we implement this interface, we should definitely use this method. This is an inbuilt method for that interface, so we need to use this method. That method parameter should have it contains method name and also input, output, and options. These are the parameter required. These are the mandatory parameters it has. Then if you want to use if you want to validate method, here we need to validate our method whether the method name coming from the integration procedure is equal to the method in the org, in the class. Like that we can check from here. After that, if it is equal, then we are going to execute this method here. Let's see what is the method I have written. Here I have written like an input map I'm getting here, and also output map I'm sending to the integration procedure. And if I want to use input map to to get the whatever the parameters we are sending from the integration procedure, we will get like input map dot get using value. However, we are sending the values to the apex class like key and value. So by key we will get the value. By using this as object key, we will get the object name as a value, and I'm filtering here with the query, and I'm sending to the output map. Output map is, it's like a JSON. It will return to the integration procedure. This is a we can say it's a key and it's a value. Here the key means it's one node in JSON. It will create as a node. Let me show how this works. And here I'll place the class, I'll place the method name here. Let me copy the above things here. Account, this I am passing to the class, and method name I'm passing to the method name. If I want to pass any variable, I will pass this one, whatever I am mentioned in the class. I will pass that one. And also I need to pass a subject to get the record type. Actually, Here I have used it to get the record type. I have used data wrapper extract. We can also get the record type ID using Apex class, so I am using this Apex class. And here record type name I will be sending as service and s object as account. Then it will be stored. Now I am deactivating this data wrapper, because we are using Apex class, so we are and deactivating this data wrapper element. We can deactivate using this checkbox. Just if we run this, we'll get to know how this element is working. Remote action. Here by the debug we can see what are the inputs and what are the outputs we are sending. If we click on remote action, input s object is account and record type is service. If I click on output, I'm getting record ID with this one as a node. What we say, this one, record type ID, it will come. Then now we need to pass this thing. Let me edit this as Apex call. I will use this while calling the record type here. Here I am sending this one, right? I will change Apex call and record type. This will be the same as this one. See, record type name, record type name I need to mention here. I'll remove this. Yes, sorry. I need to keep this one because this is output I am sending. So this output I need to paste here. If you observe here as well, this is record type ID. I need to place there, because to access that record type ID, I need to use element name colon record type ID, so that I can use this. Let's execute this one. We'll see what type of record will create now. If we observe this one, uh, Apex debug, input we are giving service and account, output we are getting like record type ID itself. Let's see what is the input we are giving for the data wrapper. We are giving account record ID. Let's see the output for this. Yes, account ID and opportunity has created. Let's verify whether our created account is service or not. Let it be load. Here I'll explain what is this again. Whenever we want to call any Apex class, we need to use remote action. Remote action can be used only when there is an Apex class, and also we need to have method in that. We need to have method in remote class and remote method. For every remote action class, we should be have like invoke method. Invoke method is must, and also this velocity open interface should also we need to implement. We also we invoke method parameters are method name, output map, input map, and options. uh, Here we need to verify whether the method coming from integration procedure and method which is present in the class is equal or not. If it is equal, we need to redirect to or navigate to that this particular method. Let's verify. uh, there is a problem. Let's see what is the problem. I think I need to copy this one. Account ID, let it be load. Yes, here we got like service account. Yes, we got service account here. Let it be load. See, the account record type is service. Now account is created here. That is the way how we need to use remote action here, and also remote action will execute the class. In the future I will be explaining all the actions in the OmniScript and integration procedure. Please subscribe and do watch all my videos. Thank you.